Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're gonna be playing some more Minecraft, and today, we are gonna be. So you're probably wondering why was I not doing videos for a long time. I was sick. I was sick for like 2.5 days. You know, you don't want to know because I was throwing up. Ooh. It wasn't pleasant for me. So that's why I couldn't do videos. But now we're doing a video finally. So yeah. Hey guys. Welcome back. So today we're gonna be living inside of a furnace. Yep, a furnace. So if you want me to, okay, so so what we're gonna do pretty much is we're gonna make a home out of this. Yep, home out of this. Oh, I just noticed it was wonky. Yeah, that's good. That's real good. Real bad. I'm just gonna put red here. Red. So yeah. I'm just saying so yeah. Okay, so let's get into this. Let's actually slash clear. Do I have slash clear on here? No, I do not. Okay, I'm gonna make slash clear. Okay, so I have everything. Now I just need a diamond pickaxe. I wasn't very set up for this video, but that's fine. I just need a diamond. I spelled diamond. Diamond pickaxe. I'm gonna grab just like 3 of these. I'm gonna grab 3 of those. So I'm gonna go in survival. So slash game mode 0. Boom. Game mode 0. Okay, so I'm in survival now. So you're probably wondering, it's not hollowed out. Wait, is it? But it's hollow. Well, it's not actually not hollow. So that's a good thing. Should I start right here? Yeah, I think I should. I need a door. I'm gonna go game mode. Wait, let me just type it in. I'm just gonna type it in. Slash game mode 0. Game mode 1. Game mode 1. Creative. So we need a door. And door. Let's get this kind of door. Because this doesn't match, but that's fine. It looks like a normal house from here. If you come from the side, it looks like a normal house. So this is trying to be most hidden as possible. So we're trying to hide this, and yeah. Okay, let's get started. So first, I'm gonna make go to the very top of my build. Okay, let's go back up to the very top of my build. I'm gonna grab torches actually. Let me go boom. Torches or glowstone. I'm gonna give a glowstone. Oh no, I need more than that. What? Good man. Boom. And we don't need that. And then I need torches. Oh, I love torches actually. Talking about torches, I love it. It's the best. I'm gonna place it right there. I love torches. Just leave it in the comments below if you like torches. Have I even had torches before? I just saying I love it. I don't know. I don't think I have, but I want to have torches. It looks good. I'm saying it looks good. It isn't good because I don't even know. Okay, I need the floor. This floor is ugly. So I'm gonna put black right here. Boom. And boom. It's turning tonight. It's turning tonight. Okay. Boom. There. Okay, so we need our doors. And then, but okay. There we are. So boom, 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 boom. Oh yeah, I need to make it to the very top. So boom, boom. This is gray concrete. So I actually made this myself. So yes, I did. You're probably not believing me, but I did. I made it for him. You get onto those forums or whatever, and check if it's on there. It isn't on there because I made it myself. So, like, I guess you could go check it out, but just it's not gonna be on there. It should. I guess you could check it out, but just it's not gonna be on there, you know. So yeah, I'll place some glowstone on the floor. Actually, I'm gonna place some glowstone right here. Pick these 2 blocks of glowstone on the floor so we can step on glowstone. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Oh yeah, I need to go up. Let me do this. Oh, that's cool. I like it. I like it a lot. Lock it a lot. Lock it a lot. Lock it a lot. Lock it a lot. There it is. Just it's annoying. I'm just gonna craft this into amazing date. Oh yeah, amazing date. Amazing date. Just kidding. Okay, so oh, put it back in, put it back in, put it back in. Let me just check out how long this video is. Let me see. 7 minutes. That's good. Okay, so we need to make it to the very top. 7 minutes. So about 10 more minutes of this video. Yay! Woo! I'm so excited. I really like this video. Even though I haven't even made it's my own video, so yeah. I'm a little bit biased, but that's fine. I'm kind of very biased, but that's fine. I am a biased person. Am I actually? I don't know. But I may be a little biased about this. Okay. Break this block, Whenever can I make it to the top? Let me just lag. Oh, where am I? I think I need some torches. Boom. And boom. Double up. No, I don't want to double up. Actually, I'm gonna go back. Let me just dig up. Oh, that's actually 1 block. It was 1 block. Oh. The vein is making me lag, I think. Weather clear. Boom. It always rains in this world. When I was making this, like it. Oh, lag spike again. Oh, it's not responding. Come on. Technical difficulties. Oh, what is this? Oh. Something behind me that I didn't know about. Technical difficulties, please. Please stand by. Technical difficulties, please stand by. Okay. Am I back? I'm not back. Oh, I'm back. Yes, I'm back. Okay. That was just the worst luck of just anybody's luck. Just waste luck. Just the worst luck. Okay, now we need fences. Yeah, I'm gonna go game mode 0 because I think that's the best. I meant game mode 1. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna get quartz pillars, and quartz. That's a quartz. Quartz pillar. bleh, 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 bleh. I don't need this. Even though I do, I don't. Okay. So quartz one. Oh no, we need quartz pillars. I'm gonna go 5 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then boom, 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 boom. No, there's nothing really in this realm. It's just weird stuff. I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know what that was. I don't know. I don't even know what was making over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I was trying to make a mini game, but it just failed. So I just stopped building it, I think. Okay, boom, 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 boom. Across here. Okay, nice, 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 nice. And boom, 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 boom. Nice, nice. I want this to look like barbed wire. Wait, what is this? What is wrong? What is wrong with this thing? I think I'm gonna make. I have a great idea, actually. I have a very good idea. So I think I'm gonna make more of these builds. I think next one is gonna be a crafting table. So I'm gonna put a crafting table right over there, maybe, and then we could connect the bridges. So we could do like connect a bridge. Like we could do a bridge and connect it. I think that would be amazing. So yep, let's try to do that. Okay, so boom, boom, boom. I really like this. If you want me to do part 2 to this, then I definitely will. Because we are kind of running out of time. Let me check. This is 11-minute video. Okay, so I'm gonna make it 15 minutes actually. So 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left, everybody. 4 minutes left. You're gonna exit this video in 4 minutes. Oh no, don't do that. Don't exit in like 6 minutes. Because I say my like outro for like 20 seconds. I should make it definitely shorter. I'm just gonna say now, just because. So I don't have to do that. So yeah, hope you. I'm gonna say hope you enjoyed this video. And I'm just gonna say leave a like, and then I'm gonna say like. Okay. So yeah. So definitely subscribe and leave a like. And if you want to be on the wall of names, then what you have to do is I don't have anybody on the wall of names. I don't think I even started my wall of names. I don't think I even published that video of my wall of names. I'm not even going to. I just think it's just too much work. Too much work. So yes, I am gonna do a part 2 of this, but hope you enjoyed. If you did, definitely smash the like button. And if you want to be on the wall of names, the wall of names. If you want to be on it, then you have to leave a like and subscribe and leave it in the comments below. And yeah. So yeah, do that. Definitely. So we're gonna make it part 2 to this, but does it look epic? Let me check. Oh yeah, it looks pretty good. It looks good. I like it. We didn't do much today because this is just part 1. Part 2 is going to be amazing. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button. And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.